Do you want to look 10 years younger without needles or surgery? There is one powerful ingredient hiding in your pantry right now. It builds collagen faster than most expensive store-bought serums. Today, I am revealing the exact science behind this natural miracle. Stick with me for the next 5 minutes to change your skin forever. Your path to timeless beauty starts right here, right now. Nature has hidden a powerful Botox in a bottle. Secret inside. Dermatologists call these tiny seeds a goldmine for aging skin. They are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids that hydrate your skin from within. Recent studies show that flax seeds contain high levels of lignans, are antioxidants that help fight free radicals and prevent sagging. Applying this gel helps rebuild the skin's protective barrier instantly. It works by tightening the pores and smoothing out deep expression lines. This is a natural way to boost your skin's own collagen production. The Journal of Evidence-Based Complementary Medicine highlights its healing power. Now, let's create this high-potency gel in your own kitchen. Start with 2 tablespoons of raw, organic, brown flaxseed. Place the seeds in a small pot and add 1 cup of distilled water. Turn on the heat and bring the mixture to a gentle, steady boil. Stir the seeds occasionally with a wooden spoon to prevent sticking. You will see the water transform into a thick, clear, and silky gel. Boil it for about 5 to 7 minutes until it reaches a serum-like consistency. Turn off the heat and let the mixture sit for just 2 minutes. Do not wait too long, or the gel will become too thick to strain. Use a thin cloth or a fine mesh strainer to separate the gel from the seeds. Squeeze the cloth firmly to extract every drop of this liquid gold. Transfer your fresh flaxseed gel into a clean, airtight glass jar. Keep this jar in the refrigerator to keep the nutrients active and cool. This cool temperature helps to reduce inflammation and puffiness upon contact. This simple gel is your first step to looking a decade younger. Now that your flaxseed gel is chilled, it is time for the application. Begin by washing your face with lukewarm water to open up your pores. Gently pat your skin dry with a soft, clean microfiber towel. Take a small amount of the cool gel onto your clean fingertips. Apply a thin, even layer across your forehead, cheeks, and jawline. Do not forget your net, as it often shows signs of aging first. Wait for 1 minute until the first layer feels slightly tacky on your skin. Now, we will perform the deep tissue lifting massage for maximum results. Start at the base of your neck and sweep upwards towards the chin. Use firm pressure to encourage lymphatic drainage and reduce Move to your jawline and use your knuckles to glide towards your ears. This technique is often recommended by facial therapists to define the jaw. Place your index and middle fingers at the corners of your mouth. Lift the skin upwards and outwards towards your cheekbones. This movement helps to counteract the natural sagging of the jowls. Next, focus on the forehead by using your palms to pull upwards. Hold the skin at the hairline for 5 seconds to set the lift. According to the Journal of Clinical Dermatology, massage increases blood flow. Better circulation means more nutrients are delivered to your skin cells. You will feel a strong tightening sensation as the flaxseed gel dries. This tightening effect mimics the results of professional skin treatments. Leave the mask on for 20 minutes while you relax your facial muscles. Do not talk or smile during this time to allow the gel to set perfectly. This process helps to train your skin to stay firm and lifted. It is a non-invasive way to maintain your youthful structure every single day. To take your results to the next level, you can add a potency booster. Once your gel is strained and cool, add 2 drops of pure vitamin E oil. The British Journal of Dermatology notes, vitamin E is vital for skin repair. It acts as a natural preservative and protects your skin from sun damage. Stir the oil into the gel until the mixture looks smooth and consistent. For those with very dry skin, a drop of organic sweet almond oil works wonders. These additions help the gel penetrate deeper into the dermis layer. Apply this boosted formula every night before you go to bed. The nighttime is when your skin goes into its natural regeneration mode. By morning, you will notice your skin looks plumper and more hydrated. In the first week, you will see a visible reduction in surface dullness. By the end of the 3rd week, deeper wrinkles will appear much softer. Your friends will start to ask if you have had a professional treatment. The science is clear, Consistency is more powerful than any expensive cream. Flax seeds provide the building blocks your skin needs to stay resilient. This ritual is not just a quick fix. It is a long-term health strategy. Research in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences supports this. Antioxidants in flax seeds help stop the breakdown of natural elastin fibers. This means your skin stays bouncy and firm for many years to come. Nature has given us the tools to reverse the clock without any chemicals. You are now holding the secret to a youthful glow in your own hands. Make this 5-minute habit a permanent part of your wellness journey. Your future self will thank you for the care you are giving today. Your transformation into a younger, more radiant you begins tonight. If you enjoyed this natural beauty secret, please like this video. Subscribe to the Wellness Path podcast for more ways to age beautifully. Don't forget to click the bell icon to join our wellness community. Tell me in the comments if you are trying this flaxseed gel today. I can't wait to hear about your incredible skin results. Thank you for watching, and stay healthy, stay happy, and stay beautiful. I will see you in our next episode.